up, you guys? It has been a long time and I am back and ready to get this party started once again with my decorating videos. And what better way than to start with a decorate our Christmas tree with me. So this year I decided to get me and the kids a new Christmas tree because my old one has literally bit the dust. So I got one off of Amazon, and as you see in this clip here, I am getting everything out before I actually decorate it, and my kids are running around like a doozy, so it is hard trying to get everything out that I'm planning on just like putting up with all the kids under my feet, but we make it work somehow. Just trying to get them inside. But yeah, so in today's video we are going to be just decorating this Christmas tree. I'm so excited. I'm grooving and ready for the season. Now bear with me because I am still healing from my broken leg, so I may be limping a bit, but I am more than excited to get this party started. So like I said, go ahead, sit back, grab your hot cocoa, and let's decorate this tree. Tell you, I'm not joking. It took me 2 hours to fluff that tree. I am not over exaggerating. I typically keep an artificial tree because of my apartment, and I decided to get a new one this year because my other one bit the dust. So my question to you guys is, do you guys get real trees every year or do you do artificial trees? And I typically do artificial trees because they are easier, but this one, it took me 2 whole hours. So, and as you can see here, I'm still fluffing, like I'm just trying to maneuver, but now I'm just getting out all of my decorations to see what I have and what I need, and I'm just, you know, getting prepped and ready to go. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's
go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
So just like many other millions of Americans out there, I have also been affected by COVID, but I'm determined this year to not let that invalidate how the season goes for my children. I want to definitely make it aware this year that it's not necessarily about the presents. Not that it is any time of the year, but definitely this year that it's about family and celebrating the fact that we are alive and we are well. So I think that it is important to you guys out there to just remember that Christmas is not all about gifts and who has the new decorations from Hobby Lobby. It's about just family and making things fun. So if you're out there and you're struggling, just know that you're not the only one. I am too, and we're all in this together.
As long as I spend this day with you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen.
Alright, so now I'm just kind of finishing up putting up the ornaments and just trying to make it special. I had to just use what I had. But in the end, I think it turned out pretty well. I love it, the kids love it, and it definitely warms up the living room. So I want to thank you guys for joining me in today's video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!